you, but I did not come just to be an spectator. I came to seek the face of the I am that I am, the face of the Rose of Sharon, the face of the one who was dead, but in 3 days rose from the grave. I don't know about you, but today is the grand finale for me, and I am not going back the same. Yeah, so that all men will see, and the whole world will know that there is a God, that I have met a God, that I have encountered a God. This morning our song is simple. It says, let it show that I met with you. Just like a Damascus experience, let it show that I met with you. Like the woman with the issue of the blood, let it show that I met with you. Like the woman at the well, let it show that I encountered the Messiah. Hey, lift up your voice. Going on here this morning, lift up your voice and say, Father, let it show that I met with you, that I met with the great I am. I met with the King of Kings. I met with the Lord of Lords. Show me a dimension of you that I have not encountered before. Show me a side of you that will leave me not the same anymore. Show me a dimension of you. For you showed Abraham that you are El Shaddai. You showed Moses that you are the I am that I am. But in our days, they said there is a name called Jesus that is been given to him, that is above every other name, that at the mention of that name, every knee must bow and every tongue must confess. That is the God we have come to encounter this morning. Lift up your voice. Raso kapadia kera no mo shetete kapara bada hasete. Hey, give me substance, give me proof, give me presence. You, hey, give me substance, give me proof, give me presence. Let it show that I met. Let it show that I met. Let it show that I met. Barabako. Let it show that I. Hey. Oh, oh, oh. Hey. Oh, 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 oh. Give me substance, give me proof, give me presence, Lord. Give me you, give me your substance, give me proof, give me presence, give me you, give me your substance, give me proof. Hey, give me evidence, give me you, give me your substance. Give me proof, give me fire, give me you, Jesus, give me your substance, give me proof, give me evidence, give me you, Lord, give me your substance, give me you, Jesus. Hey, let it show that I met with you. Say, show that I met with you, Lord. Let it show that I met with you. Hey, let it be seen that I met with you, Lord. Let it show that I met with you. Let it be felt that I met with you, Lord. Let it show that I met with you. Let it be heard. All nations will hear of you, Jesus, that I met with you. expression of your countenance is out. Arasatata, Rato Shatate, Paratate. Hey, that the more we behold him, the more we behold him, we are changed. The more we behold him, we are changed. The more we behold him, we are changed. Arabasatate, Rato Shatebaha, Eranono Sanimiad, Eranomako Sate, Rababasatate. Lift up your voice. In Acts chapter 9, when Paul met Jesus, he said, "Oh Lord, why are you looking for me? There is a spirit in man, and the breath of the Almighty. There is a spirit in man, and the breath of the Almighty." No one had to tell him he was his Lord, but he said, "Lord, Lord, Lord, I'm a shatata, era shatata." Yeah, let it show, let it show. Hasoteha, ikana masena maso, Allah soteha, ipasoteha, akansateha, orabele besitele masuta, akashete. One more time, let it show. Let it be seen, let all men see. Aramanaba. Let it be felt across the world, across generations. Let it be seen, let it be felt. Encounter man. We have come to uphold Jesus. We have come to see Jesus. We have come to see Jesus. Rato shetete namaha. Rato shetete.